Welcome you guys on my YouTube channel Formal Learning with Deepika. In our previous video lectures, we have studied about the definition of size reduction, objective of size reduction, processes of size reduction, advantages and disadvantages of size reduction, factors affecting size reduction, and the principle and theories of size reduction. In this video, we're going to talk about various equipment used in size reduction. So, let's talk about the first equipment, that is hammer mill. So, hammer mill is based on the principle of impact between rapidly moving hammers mounted on a rotor and the powder material. There are different types of variants available in the market like stock Toronto mill, Fitzpatrick comminuting machine, that is called as a Fitz mill, micropulverizer and hammer crusher etc. Now let's talk about the construction of hammer mill. The construction of hammer mill can either be horizontal or vertical. Hammers are usually made up of hardened steel, stainless steel with impact surface made up of an extremely abrasive resistant material such as histillite and carboloil. Stainless steel hammers are sufficient for pharmaceutical purposes. Hammers may take several shapes. Two basic shapes are stirrup and bar. Bar-shaped hammers are used extensively in the tablet granulation. The hammer blades can be with the flat edges or sharp edges or both on each side. Hammers may be either rigid or swing type. Free swing type has advantages over rigid type, that is, he increases clearance between hammers and screen if excessive build occur in the mill. This unit is enclosed with a chamber containing a rigid or removable screen through which the material must pass. This screen are not of oven type. Screens are prepared using metal sheet of varying thickness with perforated holes and slots. Now let's talk about the working. The hammers are allowed to be continuous in a motion. So the speed is around 8,000 rpm to 15,000 rpm per minute. The feed material is placed into the hopper which flows vertically down and horizontally while hammers are in continuous motion. These are the hammers, they rotated continuously. These rotating hammers bear the material to yield smaller particle. Then this pass through the screen. This is the screen. Here we will collect the product. This is the screen. So this pass through the screen, and due to the tangential axis, the size of the product is considerably smaller than the aperture of the screen. The screens are interchangeable so that any grade of fineness can be achieved. The hammers act as a centrifugal fan so that large amount of air is drawn through the mill. In most cases, this is sufficient to contract the heat generated during the mill. The fineness of the product can be regulated by altering the rotor speed, feed rate, clearance between the hammers and the grinding plates, number and types of hammers, and size of the discharge opening. Now, let's talk about the uses. So, fine to moderate grinding of the powder may be obtained depending on the speed of the hammer, and brittle material is based fracture by impact from the blunt hammer. Fibrous material is based reduced in size by cutting edges. So these are the advantages. Now let's talk about the advantages of the hammer mill. Hammer mill is easy to set up, dismantle and clean up. Then second advantage is scale up problems are minimal provided same type of mill is used. Next advantage is various types of feed stock can be handled using a screen of different sizes. Next, hammer mill occupies a small space. It is versatile, that is, a speed and screen can be changed rapidly. As it is operated in a closed environment, so dust can be reduced and explosion hazards can be prevented. So these are the basic advantages of hammer mill. Now we will talk about the disadvantages. So first disadvantage is the screen may be clogged. Second, heat buildup during milling is more, therefore product degradation is possible. Now, wearing or milling and screen is more with abrasive material. Then hammer mill cannot be employed to mill sticky, fibrous and hard material. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.